Hello all, I am Varshita. Today I am going to show how to create EBS snapshot and restore it. Creating an EBS snapshot in AWS involves selecting the EBS volume you want to backup, initiating the snapshot process through the AWS management console, optionally specifying tags or encryption settings, and then monitoring the progress until the snapshot is complete. These snapshots serve as backups and can be used to restore volumes or create new volumes with identical data. So now let's begin. I am going to sign into the console now. Yeah, to create the snapshot, let's start with creating an instance first. While launching an instance, I think I already have instance. Let's terminate them. Yeah, since I no longer needed them, I terminated them. I'm going to give web server 1. I'm going to select Windows here. Instance type is T2 micro. Key pair login. I already have the key pair, so I'm going to select this. In network settings, I'm going to give default VPC subnet preference. I'm going to give availability zone as 1A, and also security group I'm going to select the default existing one. While configuring the storage, I'm going to select on add new volume, where I'm going to select 2 GB, where we have to create the snapshot using it. Select the encrypted, delete on termination yes, KMS key default one. Now I'm going to launch this instance. Now it is still showing pending. Let's create another instance. Meanwhile, this is to check whether the snapshot we created is working in this region, in this instance too. I'm going to select the same Windows, key pair, Sync, network settings. I'm going to select here as 1B. Select existing security group. Since we are going to attach that snapshot here, we don't need to create new volume here. I'm going to launch this instance. Let's go to instances and connect it. The web server 1, it is already running, so let's connect it first. Go to connect, RDP client, copy this, go to RDP, username as administrator, let's click on get password, upload the private key file you have already downloaded, decrypt the password, then copy, go there, paste this, click on yes. Yeah, let's wait until this gets connected. In the meanwhile, let's connect that instance too. Yeah, Go to RDP client, copy the public DNS, go to RDP again, paste it here, username administrator, click on connect, get password, the same key pair, decrypt the password, copy this, paste it, click on yes, so now we have, this is the instance 1, this is the instance 2. I'm going to configure the storage we have created in instance 1. Go to disk mgmt.msc. It had to show the volume here. Let's go and check the volumes. This was my old snapshot. I'm going to delete this snapshot to make it less confusing. In here, delete this volume that was also the earlier one. Yeah, now we have volume of this availability zone, availability zone 1A. So we had to see here. Let's see if it's there now. Disk mgmt.msc. Yeah, now disk mgmt.msc. It just needed time to get loaded. Yeah, here let's make it online. The extra 2 GB we have already created in the instance 1. I'm going to initialize this and bring it to the online. New simple volume. Click on next until it, yeah. Now this is the extra 2 GB volume created in the instance 2 remote desktop. Now I'm going to select a file from my local desktop, copy this, and I'm going to paste this in the D drive of this instance 1. Let's go to files, volume D. Here I'm going to paste this. Now I'm going to create snapshot of this volume and attach this to the next instance. Let's go to snapshots here, sorry, volumes, where select the extra 2 GB volume and go to actions and click on create snapshot. Description is optional. Create the snapshot by clicking on it. Now go to snapshots, click on it, go to actions. Okay, it is still showing pending. Let it shows completed. Yeah. Now after the snapshot creation is completed, let's go to create volume from snapshot. Select the GP2 volume. The second instance is in Southeast 1B, so I'm going to click on B for this. Now I'm going to select create volume. Now let's go to volume again. To know which is the snapshot we created, now I'm going to check on availability zone. Availability zone is 1B, size 2 GB. Click on this volume and go to actions and attach this volume to the instance web server 2 device name. We can give this, attach this volume. Now we have already connected the desktop, so let's open it. Wait a minute. Yeah, I don't know why it is showing like this. Mm, yeah, let's search for disk management again. This is the instance to remote desktop. Yeah, the disk to the attached volume is here. I'm going to bring it online and let's check whether the file we had it in the instance one's desktop, it is still here. It is online now. Let's go to D drive. Yeah, we have the same file here. I'm going to bring it on same screen. Yeah. The first instance is this, the one in right. We created the snapshot of this volume, and then we created the volume out of that snapshot and attached that volume to this second instance, so we can see the result here. This was all the video about. Thank you.